Happy birthday!
Grabe. LV.
Meron ba isa? Isa pa?
Ayan, isa pa raw, sir.
Isa pa. Kasi hindi kumpleto yung Be My Lady pag walang, bakit ngayon ka lang?
Oo nga.
Di ba? Sinong makipag-jowa?
Oo nga. Bakit? Hindi ko na alam.
Di ba?
I'm not going to know whatever the reason why, but bakit?
Ngayon ka lang.
Han, bakit ngayon ka lang?
Yeah.
Ah,
That's what you call love.
Destiny? Destiny?
That's what, yeah.
Mayor Destiny? That's
Yes. You meant to be. You really meant to be.
Are we?
Okay?
Ann.
I will again sing this for you, LB. Wish you more years. Happy more years, ha? Happy more years and happy relationship. Happy birthday, LB.
Oh,
This is for you.
handayin nyo na yung puyat nyo, ha? Dahil, ano ngayon? Anong date ngayon? Oh, hanggang katapusan tayo ngayon dito. Okay? Okay? Hanggang katapusan. Si Mayor ng Pagudpod, give it up.
Yes, again, palakpakan naman natin si Mayor and Ma'am LV.
Bakit ngayon ka lang?
I don't know.
Bakit ngayon kung kailan ang puso ko'y mayroon ng dangal.
Sana'y malaman mo nararating ka sa mundo ni sana. Lagi tayo
Ikaw sana aking yakap-yakap. Ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak. At hindi kanya
at hindi kanya.
Bakit ngayon ka
Bakit
lang
ngayon ka lang
dumating sa
dumating
buhay
sa
ko?
buhay ko?
Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman
Nais kong mahal.
bakit ngayon ka lang dumating?
I don't know. I don't know.
I love you guys.
Ano sa?
Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap. Ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak. At hindi kanya, bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba Happy birthday again,
Thank
LB!
you.
Wish you good health. Wish you more happiness in life. Thank you. Happy
Let's
birthday.
enjoy the party. We're going to stay here all night. Yeah. We're going to stay here all night. Matira ang matibay. Matira, ano? You'll stay here. Hindi ko alam. Who's going to sing with me? Kuya! From San Francisco, are you going to sing? Huwag mong ipahiya ang San Francisco. Ano? Halika, kuya.
Halika na, sir.
Anong gusto mong kantahin, kuya? Kuya, Endless Love.
Ayan, endless love. Bro.
Okay,
Ano pong
endless
pangalan ni
love!
sir? Ano pong pangalan ni sir? Sir Jimmy. Ayan.
Now, for me, for everybody, my party is yours. Mekatoy! Mekatoy!
This is $1,000, huh?
Wow, $1,000. Yeah. Oh.
Thank you, kuya.
My love, there's only you in my life. The only thing that's right.
My first love.
My first love.
Your every breath that I take.
Your
Your every step I make.
and
I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
Your
and you, my endless love. This is my first time. For you, I did it. Oh, oh, bum, bum,
We're going to stay here overnight.
bum, 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 bum.
Those who can stay overnight can stay. But for sure.
Bum, 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 bum.
Whoa.
Oh, oh, oh,
I'll be a fool for you. I'm sure. You know I don't mind.
oh, you know so much.
And yes, you'll be the only one. 'Cause no one can deny this love I had inside, and I give it all to you, my love.
Wow.
R&B.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
R&B the best. Thank you.
It's actually my first time.
Kuya, thank you so
I did it
much.
for you.
My voice.
I came all the way
My
from San
voice.
Francisco just to attend your.
My voice is going nowhere. But thank you.
Yes, ayan palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Jimmy and Ma'am Elvie.
Who gave me 20 pesos? I don't. Senyor.
Ayan na nga. No Gcash. It's cash.
At andyan na si Sir Jose.
Yes, ayan na yung
Siguradong
sinasabi ko.
mag-release
As
eh.
promised, thank you so much for the $1,000. Thank you very much for that. $1,000 lang naman, di ba? Magkano yon? 50,000?
50K.
Oh, dahil magbibigay sila,
R&B.
your performance
Can you
will
make a
be
commitment
Oh.
until we stop? We say stop.
extended. Bahala ka na raw dyan.
O, pakantayin ko na raw kayo ng pakantayin. Pero, ang daming dollars! Ang daming dollars! Thank you to all. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Uy, magkakaganansya pa yata ako. Ano? 7, 8, 9. What time is it now? What time is it?
Look.
Okay, 10 o'clock. Okay, after 10 o'clock, the dollar begins. Okay? Every 1 hour exceeds 1,500 pesos. That's the contract. Huh? Okay, $15,000. 15 pesos? 15,000 pesos every succeeding hour yon. I have these friends from San Francisco who's going to make a negotiations with the RNB. It's not on my exceeding.